Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. In today's episode, we are going to talk about small multiples. And for that, we have a data set that contains sales information for different customers and for different customer segments. So we have information such as the customer last name, the zip code, the market, so from which continent, yeah, the product was ordered or is going to be delivered to. Yeah, let's get right into it to see what exactly small multiple is. First, we select a bar chart, and basically we want to see sales for different customers. So what we do is we can go to customer segments. Yeah, we put it in our axis and we get sales information. So basically, we see the sales per different customer segments. Yeah, what if we want to see it across different countries or different regions of the world, so different continents? And for that, there are a lot of different tricks that we can use to see that. First, we can have a slicer also here, where we can bring in the different markets, the different continents. So we see the five different continents, and basically we can filter and select for different regions of the world, so for different continents, the sales by the particular customer segment. So we can just do this filtering. Another way that we can do is to use this filter pane. So we can just get rid of this, remove. Then we can grab this market and we have it also here. Then we can go here and do different selections. So now we have about 6 million of sales per consumer segment. And for Latin America, for both, we have this. Just for Latin America, we also have quite similar. Yeah. So another way we can do this quickly and more effectively is to use small multiples. So basically we have this highlight, select the chart, and then we just grab this market and put it in this pane, so which is the small multiples, and voila, we have this nice graph or group of graphs that helps us to quickly compare the sales um, from different consumer segments across different continents. So here we have Africa, Europe, Latin America, and the Asian Pacific. We are missing one. We just go quickly to the format pane and we go to the grid and we can decide the number of columns or rows that we can choose. So increasing the number of columns quickly makes, yeah. So it was for US and Canada. Now we can see, and we see that basically in Europe has more sales. Europe and Latin America has comparable sales, but we can see a clear difference from Europe and Africa. So instead of you duplicating these charts on the same page or using the filter, we can quickly see this. So basically that this is the benefit of small multiples. I hope you are going to use it in your next Power BI dashboard development. Subscribe, like to our channel, and see you another time. Bye bye.